Hey, how you doing, fellas? All right, today I'm going to show you what I did for my DIY incline. I welded some hooks with a chain, and this is the start of the show. The winch, a cable winch that is going to pull up the cable, and it's right there. Okay, so I'm going to show you. I got this beautiful treadmill, and I put this winch. Look at this. This is supposed to be the incline of the treadmill, but it doesn't work. I got this treadmill for free and offer up. I just went to pick it up. It's very heavy. This is like a 700 pounds treadmill. So I got it for free, and the incline didn't work, so I put these. Look at this. Whoa. Can you guys see how beautiful this is? Look at this, how high it is. So it can go as high as, I think it's like 4 feet, but I don't need that. Right now it's like a 1, 2, 3, about 36 inches. Look at that. So there you go, fellas. This is a DIY incline for your treadmill. Okay, look, this is the way this is the way that the winch comes with two hooks, which in this case was perfect because it attaches to the same tube. It comes with two, so it's very simple. Just put 2 bolts on each side, and you just hang it, and then you just hook it, and that's it. And then you gotta I had to disable the broken motor for the incline, which was on the bottom. So there you go, fellas. Great one. Oh, and you need a 110 outlet so you can connect it, and that's it. And then let's see. Look at that. It's very, very. See right there, it's like normal. Even goes lower than that. It goes like a downhill. See, now it's downhill. Like a 15 degree. Probably like this one right here. So anyway, you just want to go up right there. So you're running, and then you're gonna go uphill. You lower it. You go higher, and then you keep going. So anyway, all right, guys. That's how you do a. But like I said, you just throw some nice welds and on the frame. This is the metal frame right here. So it goes right there. I just welded it. Put a chain with some hooks. You get the idea, guys. All right. And a quick tip. When you do your run, you're gonna get inspiration. You just look for virtual runnings on YouTube too. And there's a guy running, so that's pretty cool to inspire you to keep going. So all right, guys, this was a DIY incline motor installed